I'm going to briefly describe a study module for enzyme kinetics, and it'll explain the Michaelis-Menten kinetics and then how inhibitors affect rates of reaction. And so the location of the module is given here, and then this is the first page, an overview of what it contains. And what I'll do is I'll go to the module and just go through briefly each of the sections. The concept of this module is that it should take about an hour for you to complete. So the first page tells what you should know before starting the module and what you should be able to do after you've completed the module, and then it provides links to each of these pages, which we're going to go through one by one. The first one is just asking you to try, even though you haven't done the module, can you answer this concept test? Can you do this example problem? And then later on we'll go through the answers and show how to solve this problem. But first, it leads you through understanding of these concepts by looking at two short screencasts. And then on the right side here, it lists all the equations that are important for enzyme kinetics and also shows definitions of each of the terms in these equations. And then we have a couple interactive simulations, one of which shows plots for the Line-Lever-Burke expression, which gives straight lines for the inverse of rate versus inverse of the substrate concentration, and also includes screencasts that explain how to use the interactive simulation. This is a second interactive simulation that helps with understanding. And then what we have are spreadsheets that do calculations for fitting data for enzyme kinetics. And then we have two example problems whose solutions are given in screencast. And then on the next page, a couple concept tests that you should try on your own. And then on the next page, these links provide answers to the concept test. And now here we list key points and we indicate again what you should be able to do. So the idea is that if you work through each of these steps in about an hour, you should have a much better understanding of enzyme kinetics and how inhibitors affect the rate of reaction for enzymes.